In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop an image in Pixlr quickly and easily, even if you've never used the editor before. Cropping is one of the simplest ways to improve an image, remove unwanted edges, and focus attention on the most important part of your photo, whether you're editing for social media, thumbnails, or just cleaning up an image. This method will save you time and make the whole process much easier. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tips just like this. Now let's jump into it. First, go to the Pixlr editor website and open the image you want to edit. Once your image is loaded, you're ready for the fastest part of the process. On your keyboard, press C to instantly activate the crop tool. This is the quickest way to switch into cropping mode without searching through menus or toolbars. As soon as the crop tool is active, you'll see crop handles appear around your image. Now click and drag the corners or the side handles to select the exact area you want to keep. You can make the crop box larger, smaller, wider, or taller depending on the composition you want. Take a moment here to frame your image properly, because this is where you decide what stays and what gets removed. Once you're happy with the crop selection, press Enter to apply the crop. Pixlr will instantly trim the image down to the selected area, giving you a cleaner and more focused result. After that, all that's left is to save your work. Press Ctrl plus S to save or export the file, and then choose the format and location that works best for you. And that's it, you've successfully cropped an image in Pixlr in just a few simple steps. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.